Hey guys, for today's video, I will demonstrate how to obtain the Battle Pass at no cost, which will enable you to earn some free showbacks in the process. If you're using a PlayStation, press the square or box button to bring up the screen. Here, you'll be given the option to purchase either the Season Pass or the Season Pass bundle. I suggest avoiding the bundle option. The Season Pass costs 950 showbucks, whereas the bundle costs 2,800 showbucks. But the only added benefit is that if fast tracks you 25 tiers, in my opinion, is not worth it. Instead, let's take a look at the Battle Pass on its own, and I'll also explain how you can earn the showbox for free. And as I mentioned earlier, the Battle Pass costs 950 showbox. But it also rewards you with showbox as you progress through it. You'll receive 100, 200, 300, and so on, until you reach 1000 showbox. Additionally, there is a free reward of 500 showbox available, 1000, 101, 1000, and 101,200. And as you can see, the padlock is the ones that you unlock if they buy the Battle Pass. You do get free showbox as well, but that was 1200 showbox that you get to unlock if you purchase the Battle Pass for 950. By spending 950 showbox on the Battle Pass, you'll receive a total of 1200 showbox, which means you're effectively getting 250 showbox for free. In my opinion, it's a no-brainer to purchase the Battle Pass. Here's my purchase to show you how it's done. I've got mine unlocked, where you can see I've now got all of my Battle Pass unlocked, so there's no more padlock icon. I've got mine unlocked, as you can see I've got now all of the Battle Pass unlocked, so there's no more padlock icon. Before purchasing the Battle Pass for 950 showbucks, I had 1,300 showbucks. After spending 950 showbucks on the Battle Pass, I should have had 350 showbucks left. However, because I have unlocked some showbucks through the Battle Pass, my balance now shows 650 instead of 350. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.